GitHub tutorial for beginners. How to code push to the GitHub. How to pull the code from the GitHub. How to create branch, delete branch, and clone and merge. How to merge the code from the GitHub. Let's see everything in this GitHub tutorial from the beginners. Let me create one sample application. I will in this code I will push to the git from the I will git from the code. I will create one Spring Boot application here. Any one application, normal application. Spring Boot with git. Package name. Com dot sub dot n. After next, here I will choose DevTools under Spring Web. If you want, you can choose any one based on the requirement. I will just normal dummy application I will create here. Just push to the code from the GitHub. After finish, see a Spring Boot application, it will be imported here. See, I will create here a Spring Boot application. I will write here one println method. By default in this Spring Boot application, it will be runs Tomcat server 8080 port number by default. Let me run in this one. See, in this application, it works fine. It will be printing hello. See, a Tomcat server is started port number 8080. If you want, you can choose external port number. Go to application.properties files. You can mention server.port is equal to some 4-digit port number here. If you want to override the external by default port number, I will choose here by default port number. I will create one controller here. After right click on in this one, go to new, create class dot controller package name. See hello controller. Finish. At the rate of rest controller. I will create one method, normal method, public string, just hello, return hello git. I will give here in this method, you can call to the from the browser. I will give here one get mapping. So hello. Any name, if you want, you can choose any name. Let me run in this one, in this project. See, in this application run successfully. Let me call to the browser in this application. To call hello, by default 8080 port number. Hello. See, output it will be coming. It works fine. Let me push in this code from the GitHub. How to push? Before pushing the code from the GitHub, everyone please download here Git. Git download. See, in this Windows from the latest version 2.33, please everyone download here. In my local system already I was downloading. Please download and installation is done. Please next by default. After finish, it's a simple. After log into the GitHub. If you don't have any account, please sign up here. Already I have in account. If you don't have any account, please sign up and do sign in here GitHub. Already I have. See, it's login successfully. And let me push in this code from the GitHub. How to push? Right click on in this project name. Go to properties. Go to here path. So in System Explorer, click on in this one. It will be a file explorer. It will be wherever project creation, it will be moving to the same location. Spring Boot Git. Go to inside. See here. Once Git is downloading, after it will be click on anywhere here. Right click on here. See here Git bash option. It will be available once downloading the Git. In this one, once download the Git installation, after it will be Git bash here is available. Once click on right click on here. Click on Git bash here. First of all, Git installation, Git in, Git installation. You can check status, which files we are committing in the GitHub. Git status. See, in these files, we are pushing to the GitHub. How to push in these files at a time? Git add space dot. Enter. It will be all the files. It will be added after committing. Git commit -m some message. First commit. Enter. Check it's updating or not files, all the files. How to check? Git status. See, once here is login to the GitHub, you can create one new repository here. See, repository name, you can choose any name, not an issue. Spring Boot Git. Okay, public. After create repository option, it will be available. Please click on create repository. It will be creating to in this name Spring Boot Git repository, new repository. After see, you can connecting to local repository to remote repository. Copy in this one. Go to git bash here, paste here. Enter. It will be connecting local repository to the remote repository. After push, git push -u origin master. Enter. Yeah, it will be all the files. It will be moving to the GitHub. It will be check. It will be commit. It will be commit or not. How to check? Git log. See, first commit. Some messages I will provide here. One message git commit. See, first commit. It will be committed. See, we are pushing to master branch. Go to GitHub. Refresh here. See, code it will be available here. 3 minutes ago. After can code push. How to pull the code? Something can again let me check, let me tell you. Is there any changes in the file? Same process. After once push push the code from the GitHub. After you can add anything in this project. Let me create one more method. Some text. Control S, save. I will add to one more method. Go to GitHub, sorry, Git bash. See here, Git status. See, hello controller. One file, it will be a red mark. It will be, we can push to the in this file to the GitHub. See in this controller, I will add to one more method. One method. It will be showing here under red mark. Git add space dot. It will be adding. After committing, git commit -m some name message. Enter. See, one file, it will be changed. After we can push in this file to the GitHub. Git push See, currently it will be available master branch. Git push -u origin master. You need to check it will be pushing or not. It will be committing or not code. Git log. Check it GitHub. Refresh here. See, adding one method from the controller. Go to src main controller. Hello controller. See, one method. It will be reflecting to the GitHub. In this, we are working any organization. Is there any 2 or 3 developers will be there working on same project? You can push how to push code, how to pull code. Once one developer can be pushed to the code GitHub from another developer, how to can pull in this code. Let me see. I will changes here something. Go to edit here. I will add to one more method here. M1 method. After C, come to scroll down. C, commit messages. Adding M1 method from developer 2. Some developer, some another developer, it can be code, it will be pushing. How to pull, we are here. After commit changes. See, it will be method, it will be adding here. Now, how to pull in this method? Some another developer, it can be push the code from the GitHub. How to pull in this code we are. See, adding M1 method from the developer to. See, go to same location. See in this Spring Boot application, Spring Boot Git application. Go to inside. Already I will inside here. How to pull? Git pull origin master. Enter. See one file changes. See, it will be reflecting or not our local. Just refresh here. Go to src main Java controller. See M1 method. It will be reflecting. It will be coming to our local. See, let me check uh, our STS project. It will be reflecting or not. See, it will be reflecting in this project. Spring Boot Git, it will be reflecting automatically. Once pull the code from the GitHub, it will be automatically reflecting. See, how to check out, how to code checkout. See, I will create one project here. Something. I will create one folder here. Anywhere. Some Git project. Go to insert. Click on right click here. Go to Git bash here. How to check out code? Git clone. Go to project GitHub. See, you can code here. Option it will be code here. We want to check out in this code. Spring Boot Git. You can code. Click on code here. See, copy in this one. In this path, copy in this path. Go to GitHub. Sorry, go to Git bash here. Paste here. After enter, see, check out. It will be coming or not. See, Spring Boot Git. Go to inside. Check out code. All the code it will be available or not. See, Git checkout. Git push, Git pull, Git clone. It will be all the reflecting. How to create branch? In this main project, we are in this one we are project now. How to create branch here? See, Git branch. See, currently available in the master branch. See star mark, green color. See master branch and it's ending. Create one branch here. Git checkout money. Enter. See, how to create a branch here. Go to file. I will create one more method here. Some yum2 method. Save. Go to git bash here. Git branch currently available in the master branch. Create one branch. Git branch money. Check branch. It will be creating or not. Git branch. See money and master. Two branches it will be available. One from the our branch, one from the master branch. It will be currently available from the master branch. See green color star mark, master branch currently available. How to move our branch? Git checkout money. See here, it will be moving to the our local branch. Git branch. See green color star mark. Currently, our local branch available. We can push to the code some here. I was changes one method. I will add to one method here, m2 method. Now we can push to in this method from the GitHub through our local branch. How to push our local branch? Same git status. See one method. It will be changes under controller. Hello controller. Git add space dot git commit -m some messages, adding m2 method from local branch. In name, enter. See one file, it will be changed. You can git push. Currently, our in this our local branch available. Git push origin -u origin money. Before master branch, it will be available. Git push -origin master. See here. Git push. See git push origin master. If master branch, it will be available. Now here our local repository, local branch. See money. See git push -u origin money. Enter. Please check out code from the GitHub. See, once we are pushing to our local branch to remote repository, see compare and pull request. Here merging. How to merge code? Our local one developer to another developer. See compare and pull the request here. Can click here. See create pull request. After see merge pull request. Can merging the code from the m2 repository, m2 method, sorry, m2 method. I will push to the m2 method from local branch to our branch to remote some master branch. See merge pull request. Confirm merge. It's done. See here, refresh here. Please check out here. It will be merging or not code. See adding m2 method from the local branch. Check out. It will be merging. See, it will be pushing our local branch. See local branch money. It will be merging here GitHub. See, it will be adding. It will be reflecting to the GitHub. How to merge the code, how to clone, how to push, how to pull. See after how to delete branch. Now we are creating to here branch. How to delete in this branch here. Once merging the code, after we can pull the code. Git currently available in the money's branch, money branch. Git checkout. I will changes to master branch. Git checkout master. See master branch. It will be available here. Git branch. See currently master branch. It will be available. You can pull the code. Git pull -u origin master. Currently, a master branch is available, not required to -origin master, not an issue. You can enter also, no problem. It will be code, it will be fully. See, it will be pull the code. Now we can delete the branch. How to delete branch? See, you can go to GitHub. See, master branch and money. It will be two branches, it will be available. Now we can delete in this branch, money branch. You can delete in this branch. See, go to GitHub. Here you can enter the git push origin hyphen delete money. Enter. See, it will be deleted. Money branch. Check out. Refresh here. See, there is no money branch. It will be deleting. Only master branch, it will be available here. Please check out here. Go to git bash here, same location. How to see, but here in local, money master branch and money two branches, it will be available. From GitHub, it will be only one branch, it will be available. Here we are deleting in this money branch here. Now, how to delete in local? Here, you can removing the in this branch, money branch. How to remove in this local? Git branch. -d means delete money. See error branch monies if not fully merged. We can pull the code. Now we can delete here. See here, currently two branches are available, money branch and master branch. I will code pull to the from the master branch, git pull. It will be one file. It will be changes. after deleting the branch, money branch. Git delete -d, sorry, git branch -d money. Enter. See, deleted branch money. Once pull the code from the master branch, it will be deleting. Check out git branch. See, only master branch it will be available. Before see two branches it will be available. Now we can only one branch, master branch it will be available. You can push the code, pull the code, clone, check out, merge, how to create branch. You can see all of it's done. This is the helpful from the GitHub tutorial from the learning beginners. Thank you for the watching in this video. Please subscribe to the my channel. You can updated videos. It will be more. It will be getting. Please subscribe to the my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching in this video.